Earth's interior. The geosphere. The solid Earth. 3 main layers. Crust. Mantle. Core. The crust, outermost layer of the Earth, continental and oceanic crust. Major features: land masses, continents, oceans, rivers, lakes, mountains, canyons, and glaciers. Composed primarily of oxygen and silicon. Silicates. Layers defined by composition. Crust composition. Thin, rocky outer layer. Varies in thickness. Roughly 7 km in oceanic regions. Roughly 7 km in oceanic regions. Exceeds 70 km in mountainous regions. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Layers defined by composition. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Crust. Continental crust. Upper crust composed of granitic rocks. Lower crust is more akin to basalt. Average density is about 2.7 grams/cm3. Up to 4 billion years old. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Layers defined by composition. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Crust. Oceanic crust. Basaltic composition. Density about 3.0 grams/cm3. Younger, 180 million years or less, than the continental crust, lithosphere. Rigid, rocky layer that makes up the Earth's tectonic plates. Consists of the crust and the upper mantle, next layer of the Earth. Movement of this layer causes changes in the Earth's surface. Slow changes, mountain formation and ocean basins. Rapid changes, volcanic eruptions and earthquakes. Earth's layered structure. Layers defined by physical properties. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Lithosphere. Crust and uppermost mantle, about 100 km thick. Cool, rigid, solid. Asthenosphere. Beneath the lithosphere. Upper mantle. To a depth of about 660 km. Soft, weak layer that is easily deformed. The mantle, middle layer of the Earth. Upper mantle is part of the lithosphere. Below the lithosphere and also in the upper mantle is the asthenosphere. Very viscous. Seismic waves, P and S waves, move through this layer. Materials in this layer escape in volcanic eruptions, magma. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Layers defined by composition. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Mantle. Below crust to a depth of 2,900 km. Composition of the uppermost mantle is the igneous rock peridotite, changes at greater depths. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Layers defined by physical properties. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Lower mantle. 660 to 2,900 km. More rigid layer. Rocks are very hot and capable of gradual flow. The core, inner part of the planet. Made of dense metals, mainly iron and nickel. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Layers defined by composition. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Core. Below mantle. Sphere with a radius of 3,486 km. Composed of an iron-nickel alloy. Average density of nearly 11 grams/cm3. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Layers defined by physical properties. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Inner core. Sphere with a radius of 1,216 km. Behaves like a solid. Outer core. Liquid layer. 2,270 km thick. Convective flow of metallic iron within generates Earth's magnetic field. Earth's layered structure. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Discovering Earth's layers. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. MOHO. Velocity of seismic waves increases abruptly below 50 km of depth. Indicates a change in chemical composition. Semi-fluid layer that separates crust from underlying mantle. Shadow zone. Absence of P waves from about 105 degrees to 140 degrees around the globe from an earthquake. Can be explained if Earth contains a core composed of materials unlike the overlying mantle, Earth's interior showing P and S wave paths. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Discovering Earth's composition. 8.4 Earth's layered structure. Crust. Early seismic data and drilling technology indicate that the continental crust is mostly made of lighter, granitic rocks. Mantle. Composition is more speculative. Some of the lava that reaches Earth's surface comes from asthenosphere within.